Most reunions are cause for celebration, but for Julie Hudson, this one came after being wrongfully jailed for nearly a week after a shocking case of mistaken identity.
I had a lot of anxiety. I was scared. I didn't know what I was going to do and felt like it wasn't going to end.
The 31-year-old PhD student accused of shoplifting more than 1,500 miles away in Webster, Texas.
When you know that you didn't do anything wrong, and it makes you feel crazy.
Back in May, authorities in Webster mistakenly linked her to a sporting goods store shoplifting case. According to NBC Houston's affiliate, police say the suspect seen in this surveillance photo is also named Julie Hudson. Investigators found a Julie Hudson in Philadelphia on social media and determined the two were a match. Even though they are two different people, they even convinced a judge to issue a warrant for the Philadelphia Hudson's arrest.
Did look to multiple different people, not just within our agency, but also with the district attorney's office.
How do you go from a photo on social media to an arrest warrant?
It may surprise some people to learn that when the police accidentally arrest the wrong person, they may not be civilly liable as long as their mistaken belief was reasonable under the circumstances.
Hudson says she only found out she had an outstanding warrant because it was preventing her from getting jobs. When she went to police to set the record straight, she was arrested immediately, taken into custody.
Her demeanor was distraught and traumatized.
Her family spent days reaching out to authorities and the media in both cities.
We love you.
6 days later, she was finally released, according to Texas's Harris County DA and her family. But the damage was already done. Philly's DA offering an apology on behalf of law enforcement, but also pointing the finger of blame at Texas authorities.
I certainly hope and I trust that Texas will take a serious look at what it did in this case.
In a statement, the Harris County DA said in part, "We accept the charges based on the sworn evidence presented to us by law enforcement. Webster Police notified the court of the error. We dismissed the case within 5 minutes and immediately contacted Philadelphia police to release our hold on Miss Hudson." The Webster Police telling Houston's KPRC her arrest was an unfortunate mistake.
Miss Hudson may bring a number of other state-based claims like false imprisonment. She might have a case, but it's always really hard to sue the police, even when they make a big mistake like this.
Julie Hudson still has questions, and apologies may not be enough.
I want to find out what happened. I want to find out how this happened, and I want it to not happen to anyone else ever again.
Okay, George Solis joins us now from Philadelphia. So, George, I guess two questions here. First, is she going to take legal action? And what is the police department saying tonight?
Yeah, Tom, as you heard Danny allude there, she might have a case despite how challenging to that. And the family says they are considering legal action, but they have not made any other details specifically. Now, we did reach out to the Webster Police Department, but so far we have not heard back. And we should note that suspect in this case, the one that sort of spearheaded all of this, as far as we know, she has not been taken into custody yet. Tom?
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.